But let's not underestimate the role that the previous UK Conservative government did in advocating for Wilver, full-scale nuclear at Wilver, rather than just SMRs.
I can't believe a Tory is talking to me about what you did for nuclear. The people of North Wales, of Anglesey, waited. They were promised. They were promised jobs. We trained them up ready to take those jobs. Hundreds of apprentices promised things on your watch, and you failed to deliver. You failed to deliver. Do you know what that meant? Do you know what that meant? It meant that people in Anglesey were trained up. They wanted to work in their local communities. They wanted to stay at home to be able to speak in their native language. But no, you made them leave because you didn't follow through. But under Welsh Labour, under the UK Labour Party, working together, we are going to deliver £2.5 billion of investment, new jobs. And you know what? They're already happening. I was visiting one just yesterday, Halton in Ebbw Vale, already making equipment for the nuclear sector.